Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You'll begin by making sure your phone and accessory meet requirements. This avoids wasted steps. Turn on Bluetooth and location, then power the fast pair accessory. Once done, keep the accessory close to your phone and unlock the screen. Make sure Google Play Services is up to date because fast pair uses it to detect nearby devices. If a prompt appears, tap it promptly. This initiates the discovery sequence and moves you to the next pairing stage. You'll see a fast pair card when the accessory broadcasts. Tap it to open the pairing UI. The screen shows the accessory name, model image, and any permissions required. Review them quickly. You must accept location or other permissions for the connection to proceed. This enables device discovery and OTA features. After you tap Connect, the phone negotiates Bluetooth keys and may download companion app data. Wait for the success confirmation. You'll finish by verifying the accessory shows as connected and testing its primary function, like audio playback or button controls. If prompted, install the companion app or firmware to unlock full features and automatic updates. Once paired, Fast Pair may back up pairing keys to your Google account for quick repairing later. If things go wrong, reset the accessory, toggle Bluetooth and location on your phone, restart both devices, and try the fast pair card again. This usually resolves discovery glitches.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.